When people think about hearing loss, they often imagine complete silence or obvious deafness. But in reality, hearing changes are usually gradual, subtle, and easy to miss. One of the biggest hearing-related searches right now is hidden hearing loss, and many people don't realize they may already be experiencing the early signs. Do conversations in restaurants suddenly feel exhausting? Are people mumbling more than they used to? Do you often ask others to repeat themselves, especially in noisy places? Perhaps the television volume keeps creeping higher without you noticing. These are often some of the earliest signs that hearing may be changing. Many people delay getting help because they assume hearing loss only happens much later in life. But catching changes early can make a huge difference. The earlier hearing issues are identified, the easier it can be to find solutions that help you stay connected and confident in conversations. At First Milton Keynes, our audiologists carry out professional hearing assessments to help patients understand exactly what's happening with their hearing. Sometimes reassurance is all that's needed. Other times, small adjustments or hearing support can make everyday conversations feel effortless again.